Hi everyone, here's a tutorial on our D scale with a Mississippi River rhythm. A D scale is a series of 8 notes going up. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. You might have heard a D scale before. But we're going to play it in this rhythm. Let me tell you the notes to the D scale. Open D, no fingers on the D string. First finger is E. Second finger is F sharp for viola and violin. You need to use third finger in second finger to make F sharp on cello. Third finger is G, fourth finger cello. Then we go over to open A and play open A. First finger is B, second finger is C sharp, third finger cellos, and then third finger for violin and viola is high D, and that's fourth finger for cellos. And we're gonna play it in this rhythm. I'd like you to repeat after me when I play this rhythm. I'm gonna do it on open D first, right at my sticker. Mississippi River, your turn. My turn. Mississippi River. Your turn. Excellent. Let's try that on open A. I'm going to tilt my arm down to open A because we're going to play some notes over there too. My turn. Mississippi River. Your turn. Mississippi River. Good. Now let's try to put all of the notes together in a scale, starting on open D. Listen to me. I'll play it and then you'll echo it back. And then after this, we'll try to play it non-stop. So it's going to go D and then U, then E and then U. Okay? Here we go. Starting on open D. No fingers D string, but get your fingers ready to be played. Don't have your fingers up here. Have your fingers in ready position. Okay, I'm on open D. My turn. Mississippi River. Your turn. Mississippi. Now, I'm going to put E down. First finger. Your turn. Mississippi River. Then make your F sharp. Your turn. Then I make G. Your turn. Then I tilt to open A. Your turn. Now B. Mississippi. C sharp. Mississippi. D. Mississippi River. Awesome job, everybody. Now let's see if we can do that non-stop. It's going to sound like this. I'm just going to play to start so you get a feeling of what it's going to be like. Mississippi River. E. F sharp. That's how it's going to go from beginning, from open D all the way up to high D, which is 4 fingers for cello on the A string, 3 fingers for violin and viola on the A string. So here we go, non-stop. 1 and 2 and ready, go. E. F sharp. G. Nice straight bow. A. B. C sharp. D. Wow, awesome. That's That's how you play a D scale in the Mississippi River rhythm. Practice that every day. And when you're practicing, make sure that you have good posture, nice straight wrist here. We don't want wrists looking like that. Okay, nice straight wrist. And in your bow, going parallel with the bridge from the sticker to the tip. For cello, make sure that you're not collapsing your wrist like this. Have your wrist straight and your elbow pointed out, and then use nice rounded fingers, everybody. Try not to collapse your fingers. Keep your fingers nice and round. That's for both instruments. Nice round fingers. Great job. Have a great day. Make music. Woohoo!